Hi, my name is Marie, and today we're going to learn the basic kicks. Let's get started. In Isshinryu, there are 13 different kicks that we do, at least the kicks that I learned of. The kicks are as followed. You have knee lift kick, cross stomp kick, front groin kick, front snap kick, front thrust kick, side knee kick, side snap kick, side turn kick, back kick, squat kick, round kick, hook kick, side thrust kick. And those are the 13 kicks that I will be showing you today. Kusuke? Alright. Okay, so for kicks, instead of being in a raise stance, we're going to get into a seison stance. We're going to do a left foot forward seison stance for this one. And there's multiple different ways you can go about when you teach the kicks. But for simplicity's sake, we're just going to do one kick with each leg. Okay? So, we're going to have our hands out in front of us. So the first kick we're going to do is a knee lift kick. So with the knee lift kick, you're going to bring your knee up and point your toes down as you bring it up. So, knee lift kick. So a knee lift kick you can use by grabbing someone's head, bringing their head down to your knee, so on and so forth. Next one, cross stomp kick. Bring your knee up and stomp across. So with this one, you're going to be using the heel of your foot, so this part of your foot, to kick with. So bring it up and down, and then back down. Other foot. Next kick, front groin kick. So with that one, you're going to point your toes down. So you bring it up, point your toes down, kick out and back. So with this one, you're going to be hitting with the top of your foot. And as the name suggests, your target is the groin. So let's try that one. Next kick, front snap kick. You're going to curl your toes back when you kick. So you're only going to be hitting with the, it's not the heel. You're going to be hitting with the ball of your foot. So you want to curl your toes back. So this one, bring your leg up, kick out and back. So, okay. Other leg. All right. Next kick, front thrust kick. This one you're going to be kicking with the heel of your foot. And you want to extend your leg all the way out. Okay. Now side knee kick. You're going to be hitting with the blade of your foot. So with this one, bring your foot to your leg. You're going to kick on a 45, out and back, and then you bring it back down. So with this one, you're not kicking very high, you're kicking about knee level. So. Okay. Side snap kick. So bring your leg up. You're going to kick with the blade of your foot again, out and back. Now side turn kick. You're going to turn sideways, get into a cat stance, and you're going to kick with your front leg. Okay. So you're hitting with the ball of the foot. So turn sideways, you're in a cat stance, kick with the ball of the foot. This kick could also be done from a cross stance position. So you could get into a cross stance position, but you'd be kicking with your back foot this time. So I know this is like a basics video, so I'm not really going to go into much detail. But where I'm from, we usually do it out of a cat stance. But like I said, you could also do it out of a cross stance, which is what we actually do when we do Seisson Kata. Fun fact. Okay, so let's try it. So you're in Seisson stance, turn sideways, kick. There you go, turn sideways the other way, kick. Now we're going to do back kick. With the back kick, you're going to be kicking with the heel of the foot. Okay, so with back kick, we're just going to pick our leg up and kick backwards. So it's not really a fancy kick. Just picking it up and kick backwards. Always make sure to look over your shoulder because you want to see what you're kicking. Okay, so over your shoulder, kick. Now we're going to do squat kick. So squat kick, you're going to lean. So the leg that's straight, so when you're going to pick up and kick with, okay? So with the squat kick, there's a couple things you want to think about when you do this kick. First off, you want to kick with the ball of the foot, so you want to kick with this part of the foot. Second thing is, when you're chambering it and aiming to kick someone, you do not want to aim your knee at them, okay? You want to aim your knee past what you're kicking. So, for instance, let's say I was going to kick this stool, okay? So if I was going to kick the stool, I wouldn't point my knee directly at the stool. I'd point it past the stool, okay? So I'm leaning, point it past the stool, and then kick. And then I'd be kicking at the stool, okay? So let's try it again. So let's say I did aim at the stool. So if I aimed at the stool, I'd be kicking over here to this side of the stool, okay? But in order to actually kick it, we have to go past, okay? So, and, ooh. So we want to aim our knee this way. Knees aim that way, kick out and back. So let's move this out of the way. Okay. So lean, kick, lean, kick. Okay. So the last three kicks, you want to turn sideways. Hands still up. First kick, it's a round kick. So go ahead and place your feet together. Bring your knee up. This time you want to aim your knee at what you're pointing at and kick. So let's bring our stool back out. So with this one, we want to aim directly at the stool, okay? So here, ooh, getting a little off balance. Here, kick. So if I aimed it past, I'd be kicking past the stool, okay? So aim your knee at the stool, and you kick at the stool, okay? Go ahead and try with the other leg. So our next one's a hook kick. So the hook kick, you're gonna bring your leg up. You're gonna show on the bottom of your foot. It's gonna go out and hook it back. So let's turn to the other side. So here, okay. So you're going straight out, and then you're hooking it back, okay? Now, our final kick is a side thrust kick. So this one, chambering it just like we did a hook kick, but we're just gonna bring it straight out. We're not hooking it back this time. So, bring it up, out, and back. Hello again. So before I end this video, I wanted to say a few things. I've been getting a lot of questions and comments about what videos and what katas and stuff I'm doing next. I don't have enough time to explain in this video, but I do have a video coming out really soon that will explain all of this. So if you want to watch that video, or if you really just like watching about Isshinryu karate, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to get notified, you can click the little bell icon. I think that's what that's for. Um, so yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.